Scotcher i gymryd y gic dros y wal. Oedd hi ar y postyn! A rywsut! Mae'n mynd i ber postyn am gic gol. Wel, na chi gic rydd oedd hwnna gan Elliot Scotcher. Oliver Byrne wedi giro, ond rywsut. Ath yr ail gyfle heibio'r postyn. 5, Chris Coch wedi mentro mewn. Igor Cosby Hwlffordd i ddisgwyl am y tafliad. Mae'n syrthio i Pŵl! Pŵl yn ei tharau, ond ddim cweit yn gallu chadw i lawr. Owens, ymlaen at Mendes. Pŵl, tu allan i Mendes. Yn cyfle i groesi, mae yna 4 Chris Coch. Yng Nghwrs Cosby Hwlffordd. A insult un ohonyn nhw, Mendes din arall! Mae Paolo Mendes wedi canfod cefn yr hwyd i Cei Connah. A 7 munud i mewn i'r ail hanner. Mae'r tîm cartra ar y blaen. Croesiad Declan Pŵl. Fe fethodd insult i throi hi mewn. Mi syrthiodd y bel i Paolo Mendes. A doedd y gŵr o Portugal ddim yn mynd i fethu y 6 llath. Bel ymlaen at Declan Pŵl. Pŵl of amser. A'i groesiad o reit ar draws gwyneb y gol.
First 30 minutes of any game, there's not much in it, is there? You know, I think everyone's feeling each other out and seeing where they are and see what formation and who's playing what and etc. etc. And I think we get the first half out of the way and we've got a clean sheet and we'll always finish strong. We've got fit lads who, you know, they work hard in the week to make sure that we finish games stronger. And I think, well, I know in the last 10 games we've finished games stronger than any other team.
The result was probably fair overall. I think we huffed and puffed, but we didn't create any chances or nothing. We had a free kick first half, but nothing fell for us. You know, we know it's a tough place to come. They're just relentless, long ball after long ball, and eventually, the more you knock on the door, something will happen. But a few of our players need to learn from what their players do and just keep putting the ball in the box. Our players just don't seem to like to do it.